Welcome to my vlog. In today's video, I am going to share my review on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which I bought a week ago. चलिए शुरू करते हैं unboxing and activation setup. अभी आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो कुछ exclusive features of this Android flagship of the year 2023. Let's start with the buying options available. Here I am going to show the options what I have taken to purchase this. Being in USA, I have opted for the option to buy from Xfinity Mobile, and screen पे आप देख सकते हो the available option and the variants which gets delivered via FedEx. चलिए शुरू करते हैं parcel unboxing के साथ. तो पहले आपको यहाँ पे मिलते हैं Xfinity Mobile के तरफ से some discount coupon and the steps to activate. And here comes the mobile. That's all in this box from Xfinity. चलिए अभी ओपन किया जाए Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. मैंने ऑर्डर किया था ग्रीन कलर का वेरिएंट with the 512 GB of the disc, which is the highest in this category. Make sure you receive the box sealed intact. चलिए अभी बॉक्स को ओपन किया जाए. And here comes the mobile. There is a protective layer on the top. अभी मोबाइल को साइड में रख के देखते हैं what are the accessories we have received. In this Samsung standard packaging, inside we find only these things. A quick start guide with terms conditions, one SIM eject tool and USB-C data cable. तो चलिए इन सब को साइड में रखते हुए let's explore the Samsung Galaxy S23. This is how something you get the green color with the powerful camera of the 200 megapixel. This time the curves are lesser. All the options and buttons remain same with the S22 Ultra. Good thing here is Samsung continues to give the physical SIM tray. In this mobile you get the S Pen. So total you have two options. One is the eSIM and the physical SIM tray. चलिए रिमूव करते हैं स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर. Because I have purchased with the Xfinity Mobile plan, so you see a different kind of welcome screen because it expects first to activate the connection, then boot up the mobile. So it is giving the instruction to switch off. So similar way, if you have also purchased with any of the mobile connectivity plan and you have switched it on, nothing to worry. Just we need to switch it off and follow the instruction to make activation. For the Xfinity, these are the steps. A very simple one to follow. Any issue you find, you can connect to this customer support. तो चलिए एक्टिवेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करते हैं. First we need to log into the Xfinity portal with our account, and we need to just follow the steps on the screen. If you need to do the number porting, here are the reference numbers of your operator. You need to find the account number from them. Just continue to follow the steps as you see in the portal, and it is going to be very smooth. Number porting and the activation takes less than 10 minutes of time. As you saw, I am done with the successful activation. Let's switch it on. So here the welcome screen from Samsung Galaxy. Followed by the one from Xfinity Mobile. Because it is the locked device, it only will work with the Xfinity connection. From here on, it is the standard installation and the setup. So let's continue on that. This message confirms the number porting is successful and it is connected. By default, the eSIM gets activated, so we don't need a physical SIM here. अभी हम लोग start करेंगे process to clone all the data from another Android device. There is also an option for the Apple devices. Here you see the barcode of the Smart Switch app. So from your previous device you can just take a photo and it will help you to install. I have already installed that. Next step to scan the barcode so both these devices can get paired. आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. Now both the devices in process to get connected. By default, the option comes to get data sync using the same Wi-Fi network, but obviously it is going to take more time compared to doing the data sync using the USB-C data cable available. In this case, I will go ahead with the data sync using the USB-C data cables. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, both the devices are now communicating and getting ready for the data sync. It is asking for the options, how much data you wanted to sync. Choose as per your need and the preferences and start the transfer. Now here you will get some standard instructions. You can proceed with the default options. These options you can always skip in the first time to have the installation and the setup process faster. Now time to connect the Google account with your Samsung. This is good option to choose for offline finding. Now here the two-factor authentication. Again some standard options, we can choose with the default ones. And here the new mobile is all set. In the background the data sync is still continuing. Let's have a quick glance on all the 19 exclusive features. Few are already available with the previous version of the Samsung mobiles, but here you get the improved and more customized ones. With setup complete, this is the home screen you find. Here I gave a try using the S Pen. Here I tried out the powerful zoom of this mobile with a handheld. The quality will be clear if we use tripod. These are the images captured in 200 megapixel camera. Here you see the system consumed the data disk. This mobile has all the latest supports. You can see that in the screen. The power of the speaker and the quality of the music is indeed one of the best ones. And with this, I'll be signing off from this vlog. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay connected. See you in next vlog very soon.